Hello, welcome back again to my channel. It's your friend Robert. I'm super excited to bring you some of my favorite food. I do have Ethiopian Injera and some Dorowat. So this is a chicken sauce and some egg, Somali Chapati, peas and carrot cooked in coconut curry. Between Somali Chapati and Ethiopian Injera. What's your favorite? Myself, I can't really decide, so I'm gonna let you be the judge and help me make that decision. So without wasting any time, I think I'm gonna start with the chapati. Personally, I prefer to eat it with some tea, especially like in the morning. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my chapati, big chapati. As you can see, 2 people can eat that chapati. So I'm gonna dip my chapati, green peas and carrot sauce. Oh, that looks good. Cheers. Oh yeah. Actually, it's very spicy because there's a habanero pepper in there. I like the sweetness of the green peas, the carrots as well. The coconut and the curry complements the chapati. Yeah. It's a little bit charred in the back. Tamsana. I love it. Gonna shift gears. Ethiopian Injera. Family of 4 people can tackle this food. I'm gonna grab some injera, dip it in the sauce. Oh. I like the sweetness that comes from the sauce. I like the spiciness as well that comes from the sauce. I think maybe the sweetness might be from the onions, but oh my goodness, it's really good. Super soaked inside the sauce. I love it. I love it. I love it. Cheers. Oh yeah. It's perfect. You grab a little bit of the chicken here. Put it here on the side. You can see it soaked in the red sauce. Grab a little bit of the greens there. Mix it with the injera. Oh. It's impeccable. And as you can see here, there is a boiled egg. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna break it. Oh, that looks colorful and lovely. Then grab a little bit of injera. Grab a big chunk of that boiled egg. A little bit of the sauce. Oh yeah. That's really good. I love it. The taste of the egg and the sauces and injera is just perfect. It complements the dish. Ethiopian Injera and Somali Chapati. Excellent food. I gotta give it to all the cooks that took their time to make these dishes because they're impeccable. Super delicious. Can't make a decision on my end which side I should pick, but you be the judge. Help me make a decision. Comment and let me know. What's your favorite between Somali Chapati and Ethiopian Injera? Until next time, thank you again for watching. Thank you for showing love and support to my channel. Until next time, take it easy. Be safe out there.